Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley Virgin again here. This is what I want you to do. Now I did this early on before I made my first million. And I want to give you the song or the track that you can listen to achieve wealth faster. In the beginning of my journey to become wealthy, I didn't realize that what I was listening to, like the music I was listening to in my vehicle, was keeping me from achieving my goals. And right now I'm in my Mercedes G-Wagon here. I'm heading on to the gym. And in the beginning, when I had a 1988 Honda Accord, I would play this track over and over again, okay? Over and over again, because I didn't realize how much time that we spend in the car. You spend in your vehicle when you're driving to work, you're driving to school here, and that time you can be using to succeed faster here, okay? Because remember something about wealth, okay? Wealth and success has to be attracted by conditioning how you think. All right, does that make sense? Let's get it. So, right now, I'm driving, and what I play is this, and I want you to write this down. This is the track. This is the type of music that I listened to for several years, and I want you to do it for 1 year. I dare you. For 1 year, I want you to listen to personal development. Write that down below, please. Okay? I'm talking to you. Write it down. Okay, listen, please. Personal development. Okay? And let me give you some of the people that I used to listen to when I was driving that 1980 Honda Accord, when I was going to the gym, when I was going to my 9-to-5 job here. And what has been very instrumental with the wealth that I have here today, because it's the way I think about life and I perceive life differently, which resulted in millions of dollars here. Okay, listen, Jim Rohn, write that down, please. If you don't mind, can somebody write that down below? Jim Rohn. God rest his soul. He passed away a couple of years ago, but this man has been very instrumental really with my success, because I will listen to him every day. Like every day I will listen to Jim Rohn in my cars, in my vehicle, over and over again, okay? Tony Robbins, okay? I will listen to Anthony Robbins every single day. I was fascinated and obsessed with that man's information, okay? So write that down. Anthony Robbins. Les Brown, okay? It's not over until I win. I would listen to that young man. Man, that guy, even when I worked out, like when I was working out, and this is when I was a skinny kid trying to gain muscle, I will listen to Les Brown over and over again, right? He's a great motivational speaker, so I will listen to him over and over and over and over and over again, okay? Another kid that I listen to, you may know this guy, Wesley Virgin. You know, even my own content I listen to. That's after I became wealthy. But listen, the point is this. When you're spending time in your car, you know, we tend to only want to listen to rap music, right? Or R&B, or hip-hop, or alternative, right? And what you don't realize that information, those songs, they feel good, they sound good, but they're not going to make you rich. They're not going to make you wealthy. That music, it may drive you to move, to keep going, but it's not going to condition your mind to change your belief structure. Does that make sense? And what you have to understand to become a wealthy individual, man or woman, okay? It doesn't matter who you are and where you are on the planet is, you must change the mindset. To do that, you have to change the thoughts. And you have to change how you perceive your world. So, how many of you, comment below, okay, are willing to spend one entire year and listen to personal development only in your car, okay? Just 1 year. That means when you get in your car, you're not listening to the radio. You're not going to listen to the news. You're not going to listen to any type of track, any type of song. All you're going to listen to is self-development audio from the speakers I gave you, like Dennis Waitley. He's another good one. That's the only information that you're going to pour into your mind when you're driving to your job, driving to school, going to the gym in the morning. As a matter of fact, I still do it today, and I'm rich. Like, I'm very wealthy here, and I still listen to personal development here. Okay, guys? Hey, I love you so much. Hey, make sure you comment below. Let me know where you're calling from. Let me know where you are. And also, put your questions below. And if you want a more intimate connection with me as far as mentorship, follow me on my OnlyFans account. I'll leave a link below. If you want to learn how to use the powers of your mind to meditate, because it's more than just listening to personal development here. In my bio, go there, click it. Learn what you don't know about you to become wealthy. Because listen, it's 2021 right now. Many of you are starting the year tough, right? You're starting the year, you're working out, you're eating celery, you're eating vegetables right now. I get it. But listen, it's important not just to begin the behavior, you have to sustain the behavior. And to do that, you need tools, okay? And in my bio, I have some tools for you now that you can click on so you can learn more about you and learn more about success. Listen, if you want to be successful, you have to study success. If you want to be a doctor, you have to study to be a doctor, okay? You want to be a photographer, you have to study that area of study. But if you want to be successful, you have to study success, right? You have to be obsessed about this way of thinking here. All right, before I let you guys go, because I'm looking for a parking space right here, in life, listen, in life, you don't get what you want out of life, okay? You get what you picture, okay? Never forget that. In life, you don't get what you want. We all want things, don't we? We do, right? In life, you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture, which means in 2021, start to picture something different. I'm just letting you know that's how it works. If you keep picturing a struggle, if you keep picturing that you're confused about what you want to do, if you keep picturing that you're not making money, you're not making sales, there's no opportunities out there, well, you're going to get more of those things by default, okay? By default, you will get what you picture. And what I've learned to do is picture the life that I want, irregardless of what was going on in my outside world. And listen, I have a phenomenal life that I'm so grateful for. And as a matter of fact, I'm grateful to you, and I love you. Look at me. I love you. I do. I love you because you haven't given up. I love you because you're continuing to learn. You're continuing down the journey of success. I love you because you haven't thrown the towel. You know, you haven't said, you know what, I can't do this. No, you're not that type of person. And I love you that you are persevering towards what you deserve to have. And I believe you deserve to have riches. And I believe that you will have riches one day once you understand riches and money. Much love. This is Wesley Virgin. Let's